Hey, Scott Murray here at Level 5 Tools. One of the questions that we've had over a long period of time on our new welded knives, which we already talked about, ultra high quality, are grips. And how do we, maybe if it's too slippery, I'd like to have a grip to put on the knife. Some guys use the hockey tape. Well, we went ahead again, guys, listened to your feedback, and we developed a grip that you can slip on the knife. So it's very, very simple. You just take this sleeve, you're going to slip it over top of the handle. You're going to slide it down till it's just about at the bottom of that hang hole, just like that. Then you take a heat gun, you turn this heat gun on, and you're going to notice that grip is just going to start to tighten up and shrink up right around that handle. This is an innovation I saw when I was about 20 years old. I was an intern working for a guy in the electronics industry, actually the fellow that developed this shrink grip. And I thought when we did these knives and kept getting that question, this might be a great solution. So you can notice how that grip just tightens up right around that knife. Now if you wanted that grip, you got a nice non-slip grip on the surface of that knife. Another beautiful thing about this is it's replaceable, or you can use it on any other brand of knife. So you can get these, they come in a 5-pack. It's one heck of a deal, replaceable grips for your knives. If you like this video, go to our YouTube channel, like the video, and subscribe. And as always, you can check us out at level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.